Most people would throw this away without a second thought. But watch closely, because from this old PVC pipe, we're about to create something surprisingly useful. First, find an old unused PVC pipe. Don't throw it away, because we're going to turn it into something valuable. Next, prepare a piece of paper. Carefully draw a circle on it, making sure the size is just right. This circle will serve as a guide, helping us cut the PVC pipe more accurately later. Take a marker and trace the circle so the line becomes clearer. This way, it will be easier to transfer the shape onto the PVC pipe. Next, take the grinder and carefully cut along the line you've marked. Move slowly and stay steady, following the circle all the way around. The more precise you cut, the better the result will be. After cutting, it's time to create the pattern. Mark the shape you need directly on the PVC piece. This will guide every step that follows, so make sure the lines are clear and accurate. Now it's time to cut the pattern using a mini grinder. Hold the tool firmly and slowly follow the lines you've drawn earlier. Don't rush, because the accuracy of this step will decide how neat and functional the final piece turns out. The cleaner the cuts, the better the result. Next, smooth the edges with sandpaper. Carefully go over every side until the surface feels even and safe to touch. This step not only makes it look better, but also removes any sharp edges that could be dangerous. Take a sheet of paper, roll it up, and insert it into the PVC pipe. This will act as a lining inside, making the pipe feel firmer and giving it a smoother inner layer. Take a light bulb and carefully attach it to the fitting we prepared earlier. Make sure it's tight and secure so the lamp can work safely. Before installing it, let's test the lamp. Plug it into the power outlet carefully and see the light turn on. This step ensures everything works properly and safely before final use. And here it is, a simple decorative lamp made from PVC pipe. Look at how beautiful it shines at night. From something that was once discarded, we've created a piece that brings warmth and charm. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more creative DIY ideas, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for the next build.